All right. Welcome to Colossal Mathematics class. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. In today's class, we are going to be talking about the Laurent series expansion. So when you are told to find the Laurent expansion of a function, how do you go about that? So that is what we are going to be seeing in this video. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Then turn on your notification so that you can see my videos when they are being uploaded. All right, so for us to be able to deal with Laurent series expansion, we are going to be making use of our Taylor series expansion. So you know that this is the Taylor series expansion of exponential z. Here is the Taylor expansion of exponential z, and this is the Taylor expansion of what? Of sine x. Are you seeing that now? I'm sure you should know that sine x is odd, cos is even. So the what's it called, the Taylor expansion for cos z, before I go into my solution, the Taylor expansion of cos z is just like this. Are you seeing that now? Just like this sign, but it is odd. It is even. Sine is odd, cos is even. So this one is what? 1. Are you seeing that now? Minus what? Z square over what? Over 2 factorial plus what? Z raised to power 4 over 4 factorial plus what? Minus Z raised to power 6 over 6 factorial and dot dot dot. I get what I'm saying now. So cos is even. Let me write it for you. Cos for the expansion, for the Taylor expansion, cos is even. Sine is what? Sine is odd. I get what I'm saying now. So you should note that. All right. So now coming back to our expansion. So we have the first example here. So what we are going to be doing, we can see they say the expansion about z equal to 1, because if z is equal to 1 here, everything will become what? Undefined. Are you seeing that now? So how do we find the Laurent expansion? Very simple. Are you getting that now? So what we do is, let's come to the next page for our solution now. So we have the question, we have f of z, which is equal to what? F of z is equal to exponential 2z. Are you seeing? Exponential 2z over, let me bring it down a bit so that we can see that clearly. All right, so we have f of z equal to exponential 2z over exponential 2z all over z minus 1 all raised to power 3. Are you seeing this now? So this is what we have. So the first thing we are going to do is you are going to represent the z minus 1 with another letter. So let's say u. So you can say let u be equal to what? Z minus 1. Are you seeing that? So if u is equal to z minus 1, let me split this book like this. So if u is equal to z minus 1, automatically, since you are changing u to z minus 1, then you have to change this z that is here also. I get what I'm saying. You have to change the z. So how will you do that? Very simple. So since you already say that let z be equal to what? You already say let u be equal to z minus 1, then you are going to make z this sort of formula. That will be equal to what? Z equal to what? U plus 1. Are you seeing that now? So that means my z is the same thing as what? As u plus 1. So I'll now come back to this, my equation f of z, and now write f of u. So instead of writing z now, I'll now write it as what? As u. So what will be your f of u? The f of u will be equal to what? Exponential 2. What's your z now? Your z is what? U plus 1. So this is u plus 1. Are you seeing that now? Close the bracket. All over, what's your z minus 1? That's what? U raised to power what now? 3. Are you seeing that now? U raised to power 3. All right. So after that, now let's apply indices to the numerator. So that will give us exponential what? 2u plus what? Exponential 2u plus 2. If you open the bracket, then all over what? U raised to power what? Power 3. I get what I'm saying now. So this will now give us what? If you're applying this again, this will give us exponential 2u multiplied by exponential 2. Are you seeing that now? All over what? U raised to power 3. Are you seeing that now? And I can rewrite this as exponential 2 over u raised to power 3. Are you seeing that now? Multiplied by exponential 2u. It is still the same thing. Can you see? It is still the same thing. Now, this exponential 2u that is here will now be our Taylor expansion. We are going to represent our Taylor expansion. Remember the Taylor expansion that we had here. We had one Taylor expansion here. Sorry, I don't know. I wrote this under Coulomb's law. Yes. So our Taylor expansion, we have the Taylor expansion for exponential z, which is this one. I get what I'm saying now. So I will now represent this exponential z as exponential 2u. So instead of writing exponential 2, this is exponential z here. I get what I'm saying now. So anywhere I see z in this expansion here, I'll now put what? 2u. So instead of 1 plus z, it will now be what? 1 plus 2u. Are you seeing that now? Then what? Plus what? Plus 2u all squared. Do you understand? And dot dot dot. Are you following that now? So that is what I am going to do. So this will now become exponential. Let me write that with red pen. I want so that it will be distinct. Are you seeing? So this is exponential 2 over u raised to power 3, Abby. Are you seeing that now? Then multiply by our u raised to power 2 now, which is the expansion we want to copy now. So that will be what? We already know the expansion. So that is 1. Are you seeing that now? 1 plus what? Plus z. Are you seeing that? So that will be what? 2u. Are you seeing that? Plus z squared. So that will be what? 2u all squared. Your 2u is the z now. In this case, are you seeing that now? Over 2 factorial. Are you seeing that now? Plus z cube. So that will be what? 2u raised to power what? Power 3. Are you seeing that now? Over 3 factorial plus dot dot dot. Are you seeing that? Do you understand the expansion now? So this is it. So now let's open the brackets. So we are going to have exponential 2 over u squared multiplied by 1. This is what we have. Plus, let's do the second one. So we have 2u multiplied by this. So this will give us 2u e raised to power 2 over u squared. Are you seeing that now? Over u squared plus, are you following what I'm doing now? Plus what now? The second one now. This e squared multiplied by this one now. Are you seeing that now? We know that this one already will give us 4u squared. So this will give us 4u squared because of the all squared that is there. If you're applying this, is then multiplied by e squared. So this is e squared over what? Over u squared. Are you seeing that now? Over u squared. Then plus this one will give us 8. This one will give us 8u raised to power 3. So this is 8u raised to power 3. Are you seeing that now? Then oh sorry, I was using u squared though. This is u raised to power 3. It is power 3. Remember, it's power 3 from our solution here. Please don't do that mistake. Yes, power 3. So this is 8u raised to power 3, then e raised to power 2 over e. Sorry, let me just rewrite that part so that there will not be any mistake. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Alright, so now let's do that again. So this is exponential 2 over u raised to power 3, because if you multiply it by 1, then plus This one multiplied by 2 now, so this is 2u exponential 2 over u raised to power 3. Are you seeing that now? Plus this one will give us what? 4u squared. So multiply by this, so this is 4u squared exponential 2 all over 2 factorial is 2. I get what I'm saying. 2 factorial is 2 multiplied by u raised to power 3. So this is 2 u raised to power 3, then plus 2 u raised to power 3 all raised to power 3 will give us 8 u raised to power 3, then e squared over 3 factorial is what? 3 times 2, that's 6. 6 times this will give us 6 u raised to power 3. I get what I'm saying. Plus dot dot dot. Are you seeing that now? So now let's cancel out some things. You can cancel out u here, it will remain power 2. So we have e raised to power 2 over u raised to power 3. Are you seeing that now? Plus 2 e raised to power 2 over u raised to power 2. Abi? That's what we have. Are you seeing that now? Then plus 2 cancel 2 here. Are you seeing that? So this will remain 2. Then u square, we cancel 1 here. Are you seeing that? So this is 2e squared. Are you got what I'm saying? 2e squared over what? Over u. Are you seeing that now? Plus, what will I have here? U raised to power 3 we cancel u raised to power 3. So we have 8 over 6. 2 in 8, 4. Are you seeing that now? 2 in 8 is 4. 2 in 8 is 4. Then 2 in 6 is 3. Are you seeing that now? Then e squared. Do you understand now? And it goes on and on. Do you follow that now? So that is what we are going to have. So now this is our expansion. I get what I'm saying. This is our f of what? F of u. So what am I now going to have? Will I leave this as my final answer? No, because we represent u. We represent u with something. I get what I'm saying. We don't have u in this function. So you now recall. Are you seeing that now? You recall that what? You recall that u is equal to what? What is your u? Your u is what? Z minus 1. Are you seeing that now? So anywhere you see u now, you now put what? Z minus 1. So that means our f of z will now be equal to, don't forget this is equal to here. So it will now be equal to what? E raised to power 2 over what? Z minus 1 all raised to power 3. Are you seeing that now? Plus 2 e raised to power 2 over what? Z minus 1 all raised to power 2 plus 2e squared over what? Z minus 1 plus what? 4 over 3 e squared plus dot dot dot. Are you seeing that now? So this is the final answer for our solution. Do you understand that now? So this is the final answer for our what? For our solution. All right. So now let's look at the second example. I believe that you can do the second example by yourself. All you just have to do is to apply the sign expansion. So I'm going to do this for you and then you complete it. All right. So our second question says that we have, so let's change this pen back. So we have f of z. So we have f of z equal to what? Z minus 3. Are you seeing that? Z minus 3 multiplied by what? Sine. Are you seeing that? Multiplied by sine what? 1 over z plus 2. Are you seeing that now? About z equal to what? Minus 2. Because if you put minus 2 here now, your function will become undefined. Are you seeing that now? Your function will become undefined. So the same thing, we are going to pick that denominator. Are you seeing that now? And represent it with a letter. So you can say that what? You can say that you can say that what, let u, are you seeing that now, let u be equal to what now, z minus z plus what, plus 2. So if u is equal to z plus 2, then what would be your z? That means our z will be equal to what, u minus 2. Are you seeing that now? So anywhere you see z now, you now put it there. So that means our f of u will now be equal to, so instead of z now, I will now have u minus 2. Are you seeing that? Sorry, u minus 2 minus 3. Are you seeing that now? You can see that it is my z that becomes what, u minus 2, then this minus 3 that is there back, then sine 1 over what, 1 over u. Are you seeing that now? Sine 1 over what, over u. So this will now become what, u minus 5. Are you seeing? U minus 5, then what, sine 1 over what, 1 over u. Are you seeing that now? Sine 1 over u. So now you can see I have now gotten this. So I'll now apply my series expansion for sine. Don't forget I told you that sine z is the odd. Are you seeing that? Sine z is odd. So what is the value? 1 minus what, z raised to power 3 over 3 factorial. Are you seeing that? Then what, plus z raised to power 5, z raised to power 5 over what, over 5 factorial, minus z raised to power 7 over 7 factorial, plus dot dot dot. Are you seeing that now? So that is how this one is. Are you seeing that now? That is how this one is. So now we are now going to apply it. So our z here is what, is 1 over u. Are you seeing? Our z here is what, 1 over u. I hope you are following what I'm doing. Our z is what, 1 over u. So instead of z, it will not be 1 over u. So that means our sine 1 over u, our sine 1 over u will now be equal to what? I want to write the expansion, so that will be 1 minus 1 over u raised to power what? Power 3 over 3 factorial. Are you seeing? Plus what? 1 over u raised to power what? Power 5. Are you seeing that now? 1 over u raised to power 5 over what? Over 5 factorial, minus what? 1 over u raised to power what? Power 7 over 7 factorial, plus dot dot dot. Are you seeing that now? You can see that it is making sense now. You see. So now let's apply what's it called to this. Don't forget, I'm still trying to bring it here. I still have u minus 5 that I will still use to multiply. I'm just dealing with this expansion alone first. I get what I'm saying. I want to simplify it because this is a simplicity class. All right, so what will you do next? The next thing to do is very simple. You know, this will now become 1 raised to power 3 u raised to power 3. So that means our sine u will be equal to what? 1 minus, this will become 1 raised to power 3 u raised to power 6. So that's 1 over u raised to power 3. I'm coming, let me make that u raised to power 3. I'm trying to make my writing small, so let's just make it bigger. 1 minus 1 over u raised to power 3 abi over what? Over 3 factorial. Are you seeing that? This is a bigger one. Then plus this will also become 1 over what? Over u raised to power 5 over 5 factorial, minus 1 over what? U raised to power 7 over 7 factorial, plus dot dot dot. I'm sure you know that from here we are going to have sine u equal to what? 1 minus, you know, this one will multiply this abi, so this will give us 1 over u raised to power 3 3 factorial, minus plus 1 over u raised to power 5 factorial. Are you seeing that now? Then what? Minus 1 over u raised to power 7, u raised to power what? U raised to power 7 factorial. Are you seeing that now? So this is what I am now going to copy and paste in this side. So our f of u, which was, our f of u was u minus 5, abi u minus 5 sine 1 over u. I get what I'm saying now. So that sine 1 over u is all this thing that I already have here. I get what I'm saying. Our 1 over u is what? Is everything I already have here. So that will now become what? That will now become, let me clean this part since we've written that part. So let's clean this so that we can have a bigger space to work. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Alright, so from here now, let me clean this line also, and let's come back to, let's use green now. So I'm going to have f of u now, f of u so we have f of u equal to u minus 5 in bracket multiply by our sign that we have now, which is what? 1, right? Minus what? 1 over u raised to power 3 factorial. Can you see that now? Then what? Plus 1 over u raised to power 5 factorial minus 1 over u raised to power 7 factorial. If I'm to do next one, what would be the next one? You should know already. The next one will be what? Plus 1 over u raised to power what? 9 factorial. I seen that minus 1 over u raised to power 11 factorial. I seen that. I'm just trying to show you the pattern. Plus dot. Do you understand now? So this will be the pattern, but I just decided to stop at 3, which is u raised to power 3, u raised to power 5, u raised to power 7, so that it will not make my work looks a bit long. I get what I'm saying now. So from here, I am already almost done. I get what I'm saying now. All you just have to do now is what? Is to apply your what? Your multiplication. So by multiplying it, f of u will be equal to what? U minus 5 multiply by what? Multiply by 1. I get what I'm saying now. Yes, u minus 5 multiply by what? By 1. I get what I'm saying. If you multiply u minus 5 by 1, you are going to have u minus 5. Oh, I think the expansion, let's check the expansion for z again. The expansion for z, yes, I think for z, is this z for sine? Where is sine? Yes, this is sine. Sine, I think it is z minus z cube. Yes, it is z minus z cube. Then yes, I think that is it. Z minus z cube over 3 factorial. Yes, z is there. Sorry for that mistake. So what we are still doing is still correct. So this will just be u. This will be u. I get what I'm saying. Then this will be what? U. I mean 1 over u rather. 1 over u. You know our z is 1 over u. So this 1 over u. It is not affecting what we've been doing. 1 over u. 1 over u. I get what I'm saying now. So that is it. So now I'm going to multiply this u by 1 over u. So that will give us u minus 5 all over what? All over u. Are you seeing that now? Then the second part minus u minus 5. Are you seeing that? Let's put this one in bracket like this. Then what? U minus 5. U minus 5. Are you seeing that now? All over what? U raised to power 3 factorial. Then what? Plus u minus 5. Are you seeing that now? Over what? U raised to power 5 5 factorial. Are you seeing that now? Minus what? 1 over what? U raised to power 7. I'm sorry. 1 multiplied by u minus 5. So this is u minus 5. Are you seeing that? U minus 5 over what? U minus 5 over what? U raised to power 7. 7 factorial plus dot dot dot. Are you seeing that now? So we are just going to apply our what's it called now? We are going to apply our this thing there and we'll be done. All right, so let's do that in the next page. So we already have our expansion there. So if you do the fraction, there, let me rewrite what we have there. We have f of u equal to, we have f of u equal to what? U minus 5 over what? Over u, Abby. Then what? U minus 5 over u minus what do we have there? We have u minus 5 in bracket, no, yes, u in bracket all over, let me check what we have here, please. So this is what we have, right? We have u minus 5 u raised to power 3 over 3 factorial. So u minus 5 over u, then this is u raised to power 3. Sometimes it's not easy. All right, let me just clean this part. What's going on? Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So this, we are going to have f of u to be equals to u minus 5 over what? Over u. Are you seeing? That's the first one. We have minus u minus 5 all over what? U raised to power 3 factorial plus u minus 5 all over what? U raised to power 5 factorial minus u raised to power, u minus 5 into what? U raised to power 7 factorial. Are you seeing that now? Plus dot dot dot. This is what we have. So now you're just going to apply normal mathematics. So this will become u over u, which is 1. Are you seeing that? U over u minus what? 5 over u. Can you see that now? Then minus this will become minus u over u raised to power 3 factorial. U raised to power 3 factorial. Minus times minus plus. Are you seeing that now? Plus 5 u raised to power 3 factorial. I'm just opening the bracket. Plus what? Plus u over what? U raised to power 5 factorial. Plus times minus what? 5 over what? U raised to power 5 factorial minus what? U over what? U raised to power 7 factorial. Then plus what? 5 over what? U raised to power 7 factorial. Can you see now? Powerful. Wow, we are almost done now. I'm even done already. So what you just need to do now is to substitute your u into the values. I get what I'm saying now. Substitute your u into these values and you will be good to go. All right, so let's substitute our u. But before we do that, can some things cancelled out? Let's check. Can some things cancelled out? If you look at this, we have u minus u raised to power 3 minus u into what? U raised to power 3 factorial. Are you seeing that now? We also have u raised to power 5 factorial. Are you seeing? So from there, I don't think anything can be cancelled out there. I get what I'm saying now. I don't think anything can be cancelled out. All right, so Finalizing, I'll just represent your u with what? Z plus 1. I get what I'm saying. If you represent your u with what? Z plus 1, then I think you will be good to go from there. I get what I'm saying. From there you'll be good to go. All right, so I'm sure you can finalize that. So try this as assignment. F of z is equal. So once you do this and you get your final answer, okay, let me write the answer you are going to have for this. Once you put your value, the answer you are going to have for this will be f of z equal to what? You are going to have 1 minus what? 5 over z. You know, we represented our u with z plus u. Are you seeing that now? So z plus 2 rather. So this is z plus 2. Are you seeing that now? Then minus what? Z plus 2 over what? Over what? You know, I was saying that some things can cancel at that time. Yes, let's check that again, because I see that now as I'm writing my z. U can cancel u here, it will remain power 2. So this will be 1, this is 1 minus 5 over u. All those u in the numerator can be cancelled out. Then minus u will cancel 1 here, so this is 1 over u raised to power 2 3 factorial plus 5 over u raised to power 3 factorial plus u will cancel u here to remain 4, so 1 over u raised to power 4 5 factorial. Are you seeing that now? Plus what? 5 over what? 5 over u 5 factorial. Are you seeing that now? Then minus u will cancel 1 here too, it will remain 6, so this is 1 over u raised to power 6 7 factorial. Are you seeing that now? So that is how it will go. So from here you just change your what's it called now, your u to z plus 2, and that will be all. Right, so try this as assignment. Find the Laurent series of f of z equal to z over z plus 1 z plus 2 about z equal to minus 2. So from here you should already know which one you will represent with your u. I want to see what you are going to do. So when you are done, send your answer in the comment section, or you can send your answer to this number. If you, in case you want to show your workings, you can send your answer to this WhatsApp number 07052609233. all right, let me write that again. 07052609233. Send your complete answer to this WhatsApp number and I'll be there to check your solution. All right, so don't forget the expansion of the Taylor series. It will be needed. All right, it will always be needed. Don't forget the way I took it step by step to get to our final answer. All right, so thank you very much for watching and do have a great day. All right.